Okay, so I'm just here doing a roof inspection to find a leak. Now, when we insulated this rake section, we have to cut through the sarking to get in to the roof to pump the rake section. You can see in this one here that I've cut through, the insulation's still all nice and fluffy, right? And so there's no problem there, right? But in this one here, where I cut the sarking, the cellulose has got a bit damp, right? Because water's been running in there into that hole, and it's not wet up above the hole, and so that's obviously where the water's coming in. But sarking's not meant to be waterproof, so the leak must be somewhere else, and the biggest culprit is actually this downpipe, because when water pours in through there onto these tiles, it can, if there's too much water coming through here straight onto these gaps, it's literally only got to go over this lap here, one lap, and then it's into your roof. So the water only has to be sitting on the roof 5 millimeters high, and then it'll flow over into that lap. And so this would have been leaking before and then running down the sarking, and that's evident by the fact that these timbers are all got water damage on them. So that's obviously been leaking for a while, but it's been running down the sarking all the way down to the bottom, and hasn't ever been a problem until we come along and cut this hole in the sarking here. So we'll tape that up and fix it up, but actually that won't fix the leak. Fixing this hole here for the downpipe, so then the downpipe doesn't pour out directly above that crack, is probably going to provide a much better outcome. Alright, so anyway, we'll do our job and tidy it up and let the customer know.